Next, we are making this swan with long neck, as you can see. Starting with the structure of this swan, we're gonna move ahead to the beak and the eyes, and then we're gonna make a cute baby of this swan. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a cute chicken coming from these eggshells, as you can see. First we are making the eggshells, and then we're gonna make the chicken, and then we are gonna detail it by making wings and cute eyes. Let's move ahead. Here by taking this pink crayon, we are making this teddy bear, and then we are making the body structure of this teddy bear, including the hands and the legs. Then we are taking this black sketch pen and highlighting its features, and it's done. Thanks for watching. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a girl. Starting with the face of the girl, we will move ahead towards its body. Here we are making a cute long dress, as you can see, and long hair, and then we are detailing it, and now you can color it as per you want.